If you're an online service provider or agency owner, you probably want three things: great money, great clients, and the freedom and flexibility to actually enjoy your life. But most people never get there because they're stuck in client work, custom building different deliverables for each and every client, and then secretly pray that that client's gonna refer you to the next one, which if you think about it, that's not really a marketing system and it's definitely not scale. Now, I know this because I've spent years working hands-on with more than 900 agency founders, consultants, helping them productize what they do, simplify their client getting systems, and grow way faster than they thought possible. And the results speak for themselves. Chris made $31K in 31 days and went on to scale a 7-figure program with a lean team. Lindsay went from custom creative projects to a $50K a month productized design offer powered by a simple marketing engine. And Ronnie landed his first group client in 44 days after moving away from one-on-one work. And countless other owners hit 30K months or more while working less and profiting more. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact system behind results like these and how you can use it to grow without burning yourself out or building a giant team. You're gonna learn why you don't need to customize everything to win clients, why you don't need more hours or more staff to grow, and why getting more clients is not the path to more freedom or more income. So if you want a better way to scale, one that doesn't cost you your sanity or your nights and weekends, then give me the next 20 or so minutes, put your phone down because this may genuinely change your life. First, a quick bit about me so you know that you're in good hands. I spent a decade in the agency world working with brands like Pepsi, Unilever, and AT&T. And my agency built funnels behind the scenes for people like Dan Martell, John Lee Dumas from Entrepreneurs on Fire, Jasmine Starr, and Chris Ducker. And even though we were doing great work, I accidentally built the exact traditional agency model that I was trying to escape in the first place when going out on my own. So I pivoted. We took the systems and frameworks behind our best results, packaged them into one leverage program, and within 11 months, that program outperformed our entire done-for-you agency with a fraction of the workload. Since then, I've helped 900 plus service providers ditch custom work, productize their expertise, and build businesses that scale without endless client demands or massive teams. I personally run a lean company that's operated in the high 6 to 7 figures range for years, thanks to productizing and focusing on systems and a small team of rock stars and now some AI tools. And I take most of my Fridays off to go mountain biking because if the business doesn't give you the life you want, then what's the point? All right, now I'm gonna show you why you don't need to customize everything, meaning customizing proposals, deliverables, or even your offer just to win clients anymore. It's the same shift that took Lindsay from a generalist creative doing custom projects for everyone to consistent 50K months with one productized service built around her best skill. Now, for me, this was the turning point. I was exhausted. I was buried in custom client work that honestly, I really didn't enjoy. Me and the team were working nights and weekends just to stay ahead. Instead of feeling like a founder of my own business, I felt like an overworked employee inside a business that I wasn't even sure that I wanted anymore. And the excuse that I always gave to my wife and my young family was always the same. When we hit XYZ revenue, things are gonna calm down. But it never did. I kept working later and later, trying to fix every problem and say yes to every single client request because I was scared of losing the income that I had, when that time should have been spent on the people who mattered most. And the truth is, I created that reality. For years, I ran my agency the way I thought you were supposed to, saying yes to everything, custom building deliverables for every new client, and then reshaping the business around whatever they wanted. I honestly believed that customizing everything made us more valuable, but really it was the thing that was draining me and slowly pulling me away from the life that I was trying to build in the first place. Then I started noticing something. After dozens of custom projects, they weren't actually all that different from each other. Every client really wanted the same outcome. And for us, that was a webinar funnel that could reliably sell their coaching and their courses. So instead of reinventing the wheel every single time, I stripped away all the noise, I isolated that one outcome, and I built my offer around solving the problem that we were already great at. The moment I made that shift, everything changed. I stopped drowning in work that I didn't enjoy. Sales actually got easier. My pricing went up, And clients got better results because we were delivering the thing that we were world class at over and over and over. We got better every single time. It wasn't about giving them whatever they dreamed up on a kickoff call. And for the first time in years, the business, it felt like mine again. And once I standardized what we did and stopped customizing everything, I realized something else that was just as important, that you don't need more hours or to hire a huge staff just to grow. Now, most people think that the only way to scale is to take on more clients, which means hiring more people, then leads to working more nights and weekends, or worse, both. But that's actually the slow path, the one that probably will take years to figure out on your own. What I'm about to show you is the difference between spending the next 2 to 3 years grinding toward the outcome that you want versus getting it in a matter of months. And nobody proved this more clearly than our client, Chris. Before we worked together, Chris was breaking. He was working 80+ hour weeks, flying around the country for sponsorship strategy days and missing huge moments with his wife. He thought he had to be the one in the room for clients to get results, which meant no matter how much he charged, the business always demanded more time, more travel, and more sacrifice. He tried hiring other expert consultants to lighten the delivery, but they were expensive. They ended up crushing his margins, and then clients still insisted on Chris anyway. So no matter what he tried, growth required more hours or more team. And both paths led to the same place, burnout. But when he broke down his business, we discovered something that he really couldn't see from inside this grind. He wasn't selling travel days or custom sessions. He was selling a repeatable system that helped his clients land sponsors. So we extracted that process, turned it into a structured 90-day Productize group consulting program, and then he built the training, the templates, and assets that allowed him to deliver his expertise in a one-to-many format without being on a plane or hiring a team of high-cost experts. Within 31 days, he was able to make just over $30K from his initial group program, and he decided he would never fly around the country to deliver one-on-one consulting again. And over the next 18 months, that same 90-day program generated over $1 million in revenue with a very lean team, proving that he could grow faster by doing less labor, not more. So at this point, you've seen why you don't need to customize everything and why you don't need more hours or more staff to grow. But there's one more belief that kept me stuck for years, and it's the one that traps most service providers, thinking that you need more clients to scale. Now, for a long time, I believed that too. I was completely overwhelmed. I was working nonstop, juggling clients, managing my growing team, and I didn't even like the business that I built anymore. But I kept telling myself that scaling meant taking on more clients. So I said yes to everything. And the only way to handle the load was to hire the next person. More clients, more team, which led to more complexity and honestly a whole lot more pressure. Now, before I knew it, my team had ballooned to 13 people, and I had unintentionally rebuilt the exact agency structure that I left corporate to escape. Now, on the outside, things looked great, but on the inside, my freedom was actually shrinking. I was tired, I was stressed, and honestly disconnected from the work that I actually enjoyed in the beginning. And the more that we grew, the more trapped I felt inside the business. Then a new prospect reached out, and instead of offering the usual custom engagement, I actually tried something different this time. I offered to guide him through the systems that we'd been using for years on our clients. I took him through the thinking, the frameworks, the structure behind everything that we were delivering. I handed him the exact assets that we'd built to make all of that work happen. I didn't offer custom work. We weren't rebuilding deliverables from scratch. And he got results without me doing any of the labor. And that's when everything clicked. The value wasn't in the grind or the team or the hours. It was in the process and the way that we could help someone install it inside their own business. Now, that little experiment turned into our first group program that took off faster than anything I'd ever built before. And within 11 months, we hit our first 6-figure month and completely replaced all of our done-for-you revenue. But the best part wasn't actually even the money. It was how it felt. I finally had my time back. I had space to think, to create, and actually enjoy my work again. Things got fun. I wasn't just stuck underneath a pile of deliverables or managing a team on meetings all the time. My clients were getting better results. I was way more energized. And for the first time in years, the business supported the life that I wanted instead of the other way around. And that's when it hit me. Scale doesn't come from taking on more clients. Scale comes from building a model that gives you back your freedom. So let me show you the system that makes all of this possible. The same one behind all the results that you've seen already, and the one that we install inside of every single client's business. Step one is the most important because it's all about creating clarity and giving you back the time and mental bandwidth that you need to actually grow. Since most founders are stuck in delivery, bouncing between clients, and guessing what their more scalable offer should even be, we're gonna fix that first. So we start with a few simple playbooks that quickly free up anywhere from 5 to 15 hours per week. Once you have that breathing room, everything gets easier. Your thinking gets clearer, your decisions get sharper, and you finally have the space to work on the business. Then we break things down into 3 pieces: who you serve, what you sell, and why it stands out. From there, we unpack your expertise and turn it into something we call your productized prototype, which is your signature process and framework packaged into an offer that will pre-sell. So you submit everything to me and my team through an audit, and we refine it so it's simpler, higher in value, and easier to market, sell, and deliver. Then you'll use our plug and play launch campaign to enroll your first few clients quickly. This is where people feel hope again because they finally see a clear path out of custom work and scattered delivery. Now, once your prototype is validated and you've enrolled your first few clients, we move into step number 2, where we productize your delivery and install a simple marketing system that brings in ideal prospects each and every month. I'll be honest with you, this is where a lot of the founders that we work with feel the biggest transition. You're still servicing legacy clients, you're delivering your new prototype, improving on your assets, and at the same time, you're learning how to build consistency with your own marketing. Trying to navigate that alone is where most people burn out, which is why we guide you through the whole thing. We call it the capacity reset. It's a structured process that frees up bandwidth, stabilizes revenue, and helps you phase out the wrong custom work without blowing up your cash flow at the same time. Inside of step number 2, we're gonna refine your delivery with real paying clients. We're gonna build assets and systems and frameworks to make delivery lighter, and you're gonna stop taking one-off projects that pull you off course. You're gonna use your newfound bandwidth to install what we call your minimum marketing system. Now, this minimum marketing system is really a combination of consistent short form content, much clearer messaging, and some warm outreach tailored to whatever platform you prefer. Most of our clients use Instagram or LinkedIn. Now, this is the phase where founders start feeling control return back. Your audience and your email list is growing, client flow starts to stabilize, and delivery is smooths out. And the Productize business starts to feel real. And once demand is predictable and delivery is running smoothly, we can move into step number 3, which is scaling what's already working and giving you even more leverage. And this is where we optimize your systems, we amplify your content, and we introduce the levers that let your business grow without adding more hours or more people. So in step 3, we're gonna help you first grow your audience faster. We introduce simple paid acquisition funnels. We're gonna help you create content more consistently and show you how to email your list in a way that builds trust and generates leads and calls every single week. The second thing we're gonna do is increase lead flow and monetize more of the people in your world. We're gonna add low ticket front-end products and live workshops that monetize prospects who aren't really ready for like your core signature offer. We're gonna acquire new customers at break-even profit or build a warm audience that will just convert faster. The third thing we're gonna do is improve delivery with more leverage. We help you build world-class training assets, templates, AI-driven tools, and support systems so that clients get results without you needing to manually hold their hand. Your delivery becomes scalable, it's gonna be high impact, and it's gonna be far less dependent upon your time. The fourth thing we're gonna do is upgrade your sales system. You'll transition into hybrid and more asynchronous sales so that you can enroll more clients without living on sales calls if that's what you want. This is how you increase volume while actually working less. Number 5, we're gonna build your lean team and your simple operational cadence. We show you how to assemble a small, high-performing team and run the business with a simple rhythm so you're not stuck in meetings all week or managing a large staff. Now, just the right amount of people doing the right amount of things at the right time. Everything in step 3 is tailored to your specific goals, whether you want to stay lean or you want to scale aggressively or simply work fewer hours while earning more money. The point of step 3 is really simple. It's your systems start doing the heavy lifting, not you. And your business grows while you gain more and more freedom, not less. And then finally, the step that ties everything together, most people waste a huge amount of time trying to solve problems that they don't even have yet. I tell our members this all the time. They think they need the perfect message, the perfect website, or thousands of followers before they can start making money. And all that does is delay progress. And because you don't know what actually matters at each stage of growth, you end up obsessing over vanity metrics and tactics that feel productive, but don't actually move your business forward. Now, one of the biggest benefits of this system is that it shows you exactly where your bottleneck is, what to ignore, and then what to focus on next. Every week, you know your MIT. We call it your most important thing. You stop wasting time on things that don't matter. You stay focused on the right needle movers. And week after week, the progress starts to compound and snowball. That's how you start building a business that grows consistently and predictably, without the overwhelm, without the confusion or the guesswork. Now, the core program itself is 6 months of consulting, coaching, training, and support. Why 6 months? Because after working with 900 people, we've seen the same pattern over and over. The biggest results happen around months 5 and 6. That's when the bottlenecks really start to get fixed, the systems are all aligned, and your skills get sharp enough for everything to finally speed up. So we require at least a 6-month commitment to join. And if you really want to maximize what's possible, I'd personally think about giving this a year, because that's when true compounding really kicks in. Now, to be clear, many clients see ROI much sooner than that, some within weeks. Ronnie covered his investment in 45 days. Chris generated 31K in his first 31 days. Chiesa in 8 weeks. Over the 6 months, you get everything: the community, our AI tools, the weekly calls, live workshops, planning sessions, and access to our in-person events. This is where you get real-time feedback from me, my expert team who've helped hundreds of people through this exact same process. We're gonna also give you some tough love when you need it, and then strategies that are tailored to your exact goals, whether you wanna grow a bigger team or keep things lean. And one thing that's really important to note, you're not sitting through 90-minute trainings of someone just reading off a Google Doc. That's garbage. Our training is tight, short, and really actionable. Every video comes with a workbook. Many lessons are prompting you to submit your work for review from myself and our team. And our custom AI tools speed up implementation, so you're never really building anything from scratch. We constantly update what's working and we remove what's not, so that you're always ahead of the curve. And at the end of 6 months, you can continue with us to keep growing while staying fully supported and keep access to everything, or you can take what you've built and go out on your own. And to maintain extremely high quality of support, we only accept a limited number of new clients each month. Now, I can promise you this is not some fake scarcity, because I want a lean team and I'm heavily involved because I like it. And we literally can't serve more than a small group without dropping the quality. And I simply won't allow that, because if the support suffers, nobody's gonna get results. And results are what grow my business and your business. So once the spots are filled, we close enrollment down until the following month. Now, if you're an agency owner, service provider, consultant who's been wanting to productize and escape that done-for-you trap, and you're willing to commit at least the next 6 months to our process, we can help you. And in 6 months from now, you could have a business that feels fun again, where you're operating on your own terms. So apply now, clicking the button below. Let's build you a productized growth system that you can't imagine living without. And if you're still on the fence, just check out the wins below from people who are exactly where you are right now. Hope to see you on the inside.